feeling high.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me just do this. Sorry. Hey, so I'm going to head off right now. I'm going to the shops. I think I want to go to Sandton City. Yeah, because it makes sense for the thrift store that I want to check out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
I'm feeling high.
Okay, so this is the mirror that I want. Currently 1.4. It's huge, guys. I think it feels really nice. I just don't think it's gonna fit in my car, like at all. Like at all. Guys, can I just show you my life right now? Hectic. So we had to put these two seats down, and then that one down, and then it cuts into my driving seat. Luckily I don't live too far, so it won't be super uncomfortable drive, but yo, things you gotta do when you want to give people the gifts that you want to give them, right? Okay, I'm so grateful to the guys at so I like stopping by Edgar's because they're always having sales on their jewelry. I'm trying to find something cute that my cousin would like. I don't like these. Let's see what they have. Alright, let's see what they have over here. Oh, I think she like these. Yeah, I want to get her these. So they're 100 rand, but I have a feeling that they'll be on sale because a lot of things are just on sale at Edgar's at the moment. A lot. These are also pretty, actually.
I'm feeling high.
So I'm at the hospice fit shop. Yeah, the charity shop right now in Benmore. That's the location. And I just want to show you guys my driving situation. As you can see,
it's pretty close up to my neck. And let me show you here quick. Yeah, so here, I can't, like with one hand, I'm gonna have to like switch up, always remember, otherwise I'm gonna hurt myself. It's just gonna annoy me. But yeah, guys, check, it's like all the way up to my, what do they call this thing? I don't know what they call it. My radio interface. And then it's all the way to the back.
yep. So it's the next day. Yesterday was kind of a bust. I was just feeling so tired. When I got back home, I was like, okay, let me take a quick nap and then I'll get back into it. And when I woke up, it was like the sun was starting to set and I hadn't taken any before pictures, so I couldn't actually start my prep. But yeah, it's a new day, so let's get it started. Okay, so this is how my table is looking so far. So these are the colors that I have to use, like I mentioned already, and I'm using my all-in-one primer. Well, I guess it's not just a primer, it's all-in-one by Fired Earth, just to prime the pots because I do want to have a light base underneath, and as you can see, like the terracotta color is coming through and I don't want that. So I figured instead of using up too much of this light stone, which will be my base, I'd rather just prime it so that that color just comes out a little bit better and I use less of it. Also want to show you guys my little swirly swirls. They're not that neat. Using clay is honestly a lot trickier than I thought. Also just like a little round one for something I have in mind. I don't know. I don't even know if I'll use these. We'll see. Okay, so you guys are kind of seeing all of this in the messy state that it's in. But this is my cute little design. Yeah, I really love these colors together. I'm still torn about using the paper. I'm still torn about using the sand color paper. Oopsie. So originally I thought maybe I could try and infuse it somewhere, like in the closed areas, or like the closed areas, like just the smaller ones. And yeah, I think I should still try to do that, actually. Yeah, let me actually do that. Okay, hey guys, it's me again. It's actually so hot. I took my jacket because earlier on it was a bit chilly, but now I realize I don't need it. Like, it's too warm. Anyway, yeah, I'm craving fish and chips, and the place I want to go to is in Melville, actually Campus Square. So I figured since I'll be that side anyway, let me actually go to the thrift store that I didn't show you guys the last time because it was closed. So okay, so before we start our day, I want to show you guys some of the items that I got from the thrift store. So the quickest haul you'll probably ever see. I really liked this tray. Have no idea where I'm gonna put it, but it was 20 rand, so I figured why not. Also like this eggshell vase. I've seen it a lot on Instagram. I think it's really interesting. It was also pretty cheap, just 10 rand. Everything I got was very cheap, like 20 or 10 rand. This is my favorite. Don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I love it. Okay, so my clay pieces are fully dry. They kind of fit a little awkwardly. I think because they sit in the knot, or they set in a way that's not that convenient to paste on, but will make it work. I still need to paint these and film and edit and post my reel, and I'm so lazy to do that. Also today is it's a bit gloomy outside. So one of the reasons why I am so not in the mood is because it's so gloomy outside today. I mean, yesterday was nice, springy, super warm, and then today we got this no sun, terrible for filming. But yeah, while we're outside, let me show you guys some cute little plants that I got. I got these babies last weekend. My friend got them for me. I just have 0 pots, so does anyone watching who would like to donate some pots for me, holla at your girl. So before I get started, I just want to give you guys a little bit of advice. Don't do this. I get really lazy to wash my brushes sometimes, and yeah, so I end up soaking them. But honestly guys, this is like the worst thing you can do for your brushes, because it's bad for the actual bristles to be soaked in water. It's bad for the metal, and it's bad for the wood. So it's just bad all in all, so don't make a habit of it. But so this is the final reveal, and I don't know, I really liked what I did. I do wish I was a little bit neater with the clay molding, but I will get better at it. It was my first time using it, so my expectations were not too high, but like I said, I love these colors. I think Plascon really hit the nail on the head when it came to these colors and just how well they played together.